So hey guys, welcome to the first video of the series. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install Flask and PyCharm IDE in your computer. Firstly, you will be needing two things. First is Python, obviously. Just go on Google and download your Python. You have to go on the first website, that is python.org, and then click on this download button. This will download the latest version of your Python, that is 13.1, 3.13.1. Just download this. It is downloaded. And make sure to check both these options. Add Python exe to path and use admin privileges. What this feature will do is this will add your Python to your environment variables. Like I will show you this. These are the environment variables, and this will add this under system path. Just cancel this and customize installation. Next, and make sure to copy this path. Now click on install. This will install your Python in your computer. Till then, you can go on Google and search for PyCharm. Just go on first link, that is from jetbrains.com. Now click on download button. This will redirect you to a page where you can see this. This is the PyCharm professional version, but you don't need to download this because this is a paid version with a free 30-day trial. If you want the trial, you can go with this. But for the free version, here you can see the community edition. Just download this. Now the download will start. I have already downloaded this. You can see that. Now go on command prompt and check for Python version. Python space hyphen hyphen version. From this you can make sure that your Python is correctly installed. If it is not, then you have to go. Now I will show you what you have to do. If your Python version is not showing, then only you have to do this. I did this system environment variables. Environment variables. Under system environment variables, click on path and then edit. Here you have to add a new path. The one that you have copied from C slash users slash program data while installing Python. Here you have to add this and just then click OK, OK and OK. Then this will show your Python version. Now what you have to do is our Python setup is successful. We need to close this. Now we have to check for PyCharm installer. Click on next. Keep it default and make sure that you have at least 2 GB of space for this software only. Check all the boxes. Install. Now this will start installing our PyCharm IDE. Till then you can check your Python installation. If you know that this is the default IDE for Python, click on open. Here you can check your Python. Print hello world. You can see that we are getting our output. You can say we are performing like mathematical operations, this will also do. So this means our Python is properly installed. Close this, and our PyCharm is already almost installed. I will fast forward this part. Okay, so this will ask you to reboot your system, but you can click on I want to manually reboot later and then finish. Now go in your PyCharm, skip this import and click on new project. Here you have to make sure that this project venv is selected. I will tell you why this need to be selected. Just click on create. venv venv is created. Now what you have to do is click on this option and then again on file and new. Click on Python file. Let's name this file as test flask. This will be our Python file. Now what you have to do is let's write our basic code. I will tell you what this line is actually doing. App equal to capital F underscore name. Now you have to create a route. Make sure that your route must be in a string. Create a function for that particular route. Let's name this function as index function. And this function will return hello world. Now run this app. Basically, this is our web application. That's why it is named as app. App.run debug equal true. Debugging mode is on here. Now click on run button. This will give an error. Now I will tell you why this is giving an error. Until then, I will tell you what this code is actually doing. Firstly, this is importing Flask. From Flask, oh, oops, sorry. From Flask, import Flask. From Flask, import Flask. And then our app is named from this particular module and a route is created then. And whenever a person will hit this route, this function will execute and this function will return hello world on the screen. Okay, now we have to run this program. For that, go on terminal. Just wait for some seconds. Here you can see that there is .venv. That simply means that your virtual environment is active. Now, what basically a virtual environment is? Virtual environment is created for some project specific task. Uh, let's say you are creating this project and you need Flask for this, and in other project you need Django. So you will not install Flask on your system level, just install Flask for this project only. So for that purposes, we will need virtual environments. Now type pip install Flask. This will install your Flask in your virtual environment. We can upgrade your we can upgrade our pip also by this command. So our pip is also upgraded. Now click on this, run, and go in your browser and type the same thing which you have got there, or you can just copy this. Here you can see this, which we have typed there. If you want to change this, no problem. Just save this and reload your page. Just a second. Make sure that this is saved. And now reload. Let me check why this is not uh, updating. Let's run our program again. Guys, we can try changing the port actually. Just you have to type here port equal to. Let's say you have to give 2500. Let's give this at 8000 and save this program and then rerun. Now our server is at 8000 port. This is you can see that port number is changed and this is 8000 now. Here you can see that the output which we want we get. Do one more thing with this function or basically program. Now let's import URL for and import redirect function. And now let's create a new route at app.route. Here again in strings, let's name this route as my name. Okay. Now we will create a function inside this. Let's name that function as ABC colon return. Now what this will do? This will return redirect. Now let me show you. Redirect URL for in strings index function. Let me tell you what this is actually doing. Whenever someone will hit this route, this function will execute and this will return redirect URL for index. That simply means whenever someone will hit this route, he will be redirected to URL of index. That means the this page, our home page or landing page, you can say. Whenever someone will hit, he will get again redirected to this particular route. Now let's check this. Our server is started. Okay. Now let's check this route. You can see that whenever I am hitting this route, you can see I am pressing enter. You are getting redirected to our index page because this is the redirect for URL function. Sorry, index function. So that's all for this video, guys. Hope you have liked this. Now let's see you next time.